I bet you didn't know fixing your HVAC could be this simple. Let's dive in. First thing first, check your thermostat settings. Make sure the set temperature is lower than the actual room temperature. For example, in summer, the desired mode should be cooling. Still no luck? Let's head over to your circuit breaker panel. Find the switch for your HVAC unit. If it's off, flip it on. If it's already on, flip it off and then back on. Sometimes a quick reset is all your system needs. Next up, check your air filters. A dirty filter could mess your system up. If it's dirty or dusty, swap it out with a new one. Easy peasy, right? Now, let's have a look at your outdoor unit. Clear away any leaves or debris in and around your outdoor unit. It needs space to breathe. Finally, if it's still not working, it may be time to call a pro like myself. And remember, folks, regular maintenance will help to avoid major HVAC issues.